feel like I take up too much.
Well, if Jade and Wilson would get out, that would clear up some space. Come over here.
Okay, I love you.
Yeah. Okay,
I'm here. Sorry.
Let me introduce you.
Yeah.
You want to walk in?
This is your channel.
You want to stay in?
Oh, okay.
Today we are tackling the other side of the closet. If you've seen my other video, I did my side, and today we are doing my fiance's side. Everybody welcome Jon! Yay! How do you feel?
Overwhelmed.
Oh, okay. So here's Jon's side of this closet. Okay, he doesn't have near as many clothes as I do. He's already taken out trash. So basically, what we're gonna do, I think a lot of this stuff just needs to be. Come in here.
I feel like I'm taking out too much.
No, you're not.
Okay.
I think most of the closet stuff just needs to be taken out and decided if we're still wearing it, if it fits, if we don't want to wear it anymore. That I don't think this is going to take as much time, maybe 30 minutes total. No. So we're going to start off with the hanging clothes. I feel like would be good, and then we'll go from there. You're overwhelmed? Any other feelings?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah. It's going to look nice in here.
It's going to look nice in here.
Yeah. It'd be nice to know what I have.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing is we both were like, we need to see what you actually have in your closet because we know you need clothes.
Time to go through it, you know?
Yeah, we know you need clothes, but we just don't know.
What kind?
Right.
Yeah. What I have, what I don't.
Right. Okay, so let's do it. Let's start off with the hanging clothes. Okay. Here, I'll take the empty hangers. And you just start going through things that you... Yeah, start in the back.
Right.
Yeah, here, let's move all this stuff over.
So this I use more than this side. So this stuff is stuff that I've worn recently.
Okay.
I feel like I'm blocking.
No, you're fine. You're doing great. So as you're going through this, let's organize them by type, by style. Okay. So we have your long sleeve shirts, right? So we have this one. And then let's do this little trick that I did on my side. We'll turn the hanger heads around to see what ones you actually wear. We'll keep your polos back here. You have any other polos up here?
Yeah, 2 in the front. Or 3 in the front.
Am I stressing you out?
No.
Okay.
No, you're doing great. I want you to
This goes as a dress shirt?
Yes.
Does it go over here with this other stuff? Okay. Yay! Look how much better this looks already. So you have your everyday shirts. Like your everyday work shirts, whatever. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 polos. Is that right?
That's good.
You could probably do a couple more, couldn't you?
I guess I just want an assortment. And
then you have your workout or your work shirts and your workout shirts. So that looks pretty good. You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Now that I just did that, let's go through shorts and pants. Are good jeans, right?
Yes. Let me see the size for those. You hold the hanger. How about picking those up? Yeah, just a bit.
Okay. And then these are nice. Levi's.
Nice.
Now
Cowboys.
You want to keep this?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Where should we put this? Do you want to put it with your shirts? Or do you want to put it with
Well, it's a seasonal thing.
Okay.
So it's like from August to
I guess we
February.
could keep it back here, huh? Okay, ma'am. Excuse me.
She thought we were making a corner for her. Is your clubhouse? She's so excited.
This is so cool. I forgot you had this. I could have been wearing this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well.
I'll go put it with it.
What about this one?
It's pretty heavy, actually. That is a chainsaw shirt.
If you didn't know.
It's a lumberjack shirt.
If you didn't know, when I met John, he was an actual lumberjack. And he cut down trees for a living. And so this is his lumberjack shirt. So we keeping this?
Like, look, it's got
it's like all tattered and
oil
stuff.
stains all over it.
There's like rips.
The chainsaw had caught it a couple times.
The chainsaw had caught it a couple of times.
Yeah. It cut my, like,
Jesus.
my blue jeans, like, right on my thigh. Like, it would, like, grab my blue jeans. I was like, oh, good.
That's terrifying. All right. We've decluttered the shirts. Are you okay?
Yeah.
We've decluttered the shirts and the shorts and jeans. Now we're going to declutter the dress clothes and see where we can go from there.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't.
So, oh, sorry, Jay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 button-ups.
Right on.
You have 2 white undershirts.
Very nice.
You have a vest and 1 black suit jacket, 2 black suit pants.
One's like jeans, though. I don't know if that would.
You could probably pull it off, though. Like, they're not jean material. So that looks great. That looks great. There's this clip of Steve Harvey talking
Oh, yeah.
to his audience. Be like, you need a pair of black, tan, khaki, and blue pants.
Yeah.
You need a white, black, blue, and tan shirt. Or white or something.
There's 5 suits you need to get: black, navy, gray, brown, tan. You get those 5 suits, you get yourself 2 white shirts, get yourself 2 cream color shirts and 2 powder blue shirts. You can make 75 suits with those combinations, because every last one of those pants go with every last one of those jackets. Every last one of the jackets goes with every last one of the pants. You cannot mess up.
And he's like, you need 5 of each of these things, and you can make any suit out of all those. That's what we need to strive for. You know what I'm talking about? I think it's like black, white, blue, and tan.
Yeah.
And it's pants, shirts, jackets.
And then I want to add in a purple.
Yeah, of course, because we don't have some purple
Need a
here.
purple suit.
Oh, fast. Okay. Yay! Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. First of all, we have Jade. All right, so we have shorts and jeans and 1 swimsuit, but he uses this as work shorts sometimes, so we're going to leave that on a hanger. We have everyday shirts here. We have polos here. We have some work shirts here, and then workout shirts here. And then we have all the dress clothes. So we have all the button-ups here, 2 undershirts, a vest, a black jacket, suit jacket, and 2 black pairs of pants.
Like
Then
the colors.
we're going to get this tailored this week because the arms.
Ooh. Nice.
So anyway, We're gonna get this, my brother-in-law gave this to John, and it fits him except the arms, which the arms have been tailored to Michael's size. So now what we need to do is go through the shoes, this thing, and all the shelves up here. So that's what we're gonna do next.
Keep these.
Baby, really?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
If we're gonna get rid of these shorts, we need to do like a ceremony with a fire. You know,
Okay.
have a bugle on standby.
Now we cleaned out everything.
Wow.
So let's put stuff back.
Know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
Okay, so in the last bit here, we're going to attack. Okay.
Revenge of the shorts.
I know. Okay. We're going to tackle these shoes, which honestly, you don't have a lot. And I know there's like 2 or 3 pair
Out there.
in the living
Can
room.
we go get them?
Yeah.
Just to kind of see what it
Sure.
looks like with all of them. I brought all of them except for my mowing shoes.
Okay.
But
'cause those stay
they have
up there.
like grass and they'll never be in here.
Yeah,
It's like
I
grass and doggy droppings
Ew.
from the landmines.
Ew.
Yeah.
What about these? Cute.
Yo, my drill instructor would be so angry at me. Those are my Marine Corps dress shoes. My Coraframs is what they're called.
Okay, here's the final look. I think it looks so much better. You know, especially this.
Yeah.
Looks so much.
the big
We have almost two fully emptied things here. So, got all the shoes we kept. These are workout shorts.
Mm-hmm.
These are your swim trunks. We got a belt and his watches. Sleep shorts, boxers, socks. And then we've already been through all this stuff. So I think it looks great. I think it looks fantastic. It looks like we now know what you need.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the pile of stuff
Giveaway.
we're giving away.
The stuff that was just taking up clutter that does not fit.
Yeah.
So it would never be worn.
Yeah. See, and that's the biggest part
Yeah.
about,
As much as you hope that you're gonna lose weight and fit it again, you don't know when that's gonna be.
yeah.
So-
And it's honestly just more encouraging to not have it around.
Mm-hmm.
So that's exciting. How do you feel about this experience?
It's good. Yeah, I feel like a weight has been lifted.
How long did it take us to do that? An hour, maybe?
30 minutes, 40
30 minutes, yeah. But we're gonna put this stuff to go to donations, and we took all the stuff out here. Let me show you. This is all the winter stuff that's gonna go upstairs. This jacket is mine, but he had piles of clothes.
There's sweaters, long sleeve shirts,
Yeah.
flannels.
So that all that stuff's gonna go upstairs. Yeah, I'm super excited about it. It feels way better in here. Okay, guys, that's it for this helping my fiance clean out, declutter his side of the closet. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, had a laugh, got some inspiration. And, you know, not every couple is the same. So you just kind of have to feel what your partner is and how comfortable they are. And I think having you just here and saying, does this fit? Does this work? Are you gonna wear this? Do you think that was a good method to the madness?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah?
That was great. That was a great helping hand. I couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, you could have.
Well, you should have gotten rid of everything on this shelf.
All right. Okay. Well, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye.